Hello, this is Mike with Magnum Opus Audio Video in Western Montana, and we are here to install the brand new Sage ICS3FRs. I am excited to hear what these things can do. These things are super cool. They install like a light can with many options. So in unboxing it, finally we have our actual can here. And it comes preloaded with a 3-inch round template. So this is our cutout template for drywall. This is the paint shield. It's sticky and magnetic and wonderful. Slippery. And then okay, you can see here we have the 3-inch round, 3-inch square, 4-inch round, 4-inch square, and the matching paint shields for each one of those. And then in this little box, which you keep handy for post installation, are all the grills. So here's a 3-inch flat grill for drywall. Comes on the top, and then the 3-inch. I don't know if you can see that or not, but beveled. So it's got a little bit of a stick-up flange, and that's for hard surfaces. So put all that away. All right, once you change out that 3-inch square, we're going to throw on the 3-inch square paint shield that came with all the other paint shield options. Now she's safe. So when it comes to installing it, you got to decide what if you're 24-inch studs or not. Or 16. You can spread these out. And you have to remove the center one if you want to go to 24s. Completely take these out of the equation. So now this is where you would adjust for the height of the material that you're working with. This is so cool. They clearly mark drywall and solid surfaces. You simply loosen up this screw and this screw. Loosen up both sides here, and then you can adjust it to, so if you're going to do 5/8 drywall, put down the 5/8 spot. And each one of these spots has a tick. So it'll be a 1/2-inch solid surface, then the 1/2-inch drywall, and 5/8, and so on. Make sure everything's nice and tight. And then if we're going to swap out our bezel, because we're going to do 3-inch square.
Really long.
He's trying to make fun of me. This is the 1/8-inch bezel. So because we're doing 5/8, you need this bezel if you're using the square 3-inch round, because it is going to hit the, come in here. This square overlap is going to run into that little nick right there, is going to run into this flange and not give you a tight fit. So that's where the 1/8-inch shim comes in. Now it fits. If you're at 5/8. If you're at 1/2-inch, when you drop this back down, just in case you are. You'll notice this whole plate is what moves up and down. Brilliant. So 1/2 inch. and 1/2 inch. Now the square 3-inch plate fits soundly on there. You don't need this. And since you're zoomed in here, I'll show you these again. So once this goes on, paint shield comes off. Drywall is going to cut out around the whole white piece here, and then you'll mud up to this. If you're doing it in solid surface, they make a jig that you can buy from Wisdom and give to the person doing that finishing touch. Because it's not the square. And then the grill magnetically sits there after the drywall is complete. That's it. And the fun part of this is that during your pre-wire phase, you can bring an amplifier from home and jam out to the speakers once you stick them in the ceiling, because they're awesome.